Hello, Ian. My name is Noah Johnson. I'll be your student physical therapist today. Today we're just going to do some lung sounds, and that requires me palpating different areas and putting this on your chest and back. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, for sure.
What's your full name, by the way?
Ian Anatasan.
Do you have a date of birth? Well, I know you have one, but what is it?
September 23rd, 1998.
I think you're lying, but... Ano times 2. No. Anyways, we'll just get right into it. I'm gonna put these in. We're gonna test about 8 places on the front and then 10 on the back. Make sure we get all the spots. Make sure everything's sounding good. Is that all right?
Yep.
All right. So for the first one, I'm gonna go just superior to the clavicle. We're gonna find the apical segment of the anterior lung. So how we're going to do this is I'm going to have you take deep breaths through your mouth. Now, good. Now we're going to go to the other side. Good. Now we're going to come just off the sternal notch, in line with the nipple. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. One more. And that was the anterior segment. Now we're going to palpate and find rib 5. And we're going to come just lateral. Deep breath in. Good. Deep breath in. Good. And that was the linula on the left, and on the right side was the right middle lobe. So now we're going to go in line with the xiphoid process, and we're going to come all the way to the outside. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good. The other side. Good. And that was the posterior segments of the anterior lung. No. The basal segments of the anterior lung on the right and left side. Perfect. Now we're going to go to the back. Can I have you turn around, actually? We're going to start off with the apical segments of the posterior lungs on the right and left side. So we're going to find the scapula, and we're going to move anterior medial to that. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good. Deep breath. Good. Now I'm going to find the spine of your scapula, and we're going to move just medial to that. So, can I have you give yourself a big hug? All right, take a deep breath in. Good. One more time. Good. Those are the posterior segments. And now we're going to do the superior segments of the posterior lobe. So we're going to go in between the inferior angle and the spine and scapula and find the middle there. Can I have you take a deep breath in? Good. One more. Alright, now we're going to check the posterior basal segments. We're going to find the inferior angle again and move just medial and inferior. Go ahead and take a deep breath. Good. One more time. Good. And now we're going to go inferior angle and lateral and inferior so that we can get the lateral basal segment. Good. All right. Everything looks good. Sounds like everything is normal and both both sides sound the same, so that's good to
Awesome.
hear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.